Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas. I'm on Interstate 15 heading west. If I continue to go straight, I'll end up in Los Angeles. If I'm going in the other direction, I'll end up in Salt Lake City, Utah, believe it or not. Anyway, I'm going to be getting off soon because I'm heading into Chinatown. Yes, Las Vegas has a Chinatown, and I was there about two and a half years ago, did a video. Gonna head over there now, see if anything's changed. Come on along with me. Let's check out Chinatown here in fabulous Las Vegas, shall we? So Chinatown here in Las Vegas isn't large at all. It's like 4 blocks by 2 blocks, something like that. We'll go through most of it. Some of the stores you'll see are national stores, and other ones are quite unique to this neighborhood, so we'll check them out. Certainly not as large as Chinatown in New York or San Francisco, but let's check it out anyway. In case you're wondering, Chinatown here in Las Vegas is located about 1.5 to 2 miles west on Spring Valley Road, which, if you're familiar with the Las Vegas Strip, that's where the Wynn is, Treasure Island, the Palazzo, and Fashion Show Mall. That intersection there, if you go about 1.5 miles west, certainly walkable. I walked it. Not in this particular video, but I've walked it before. It's definitely walkable about 1.5 miles west of the Las Vegas Strip. This mall here is Chinatown Plaza, and pretty much where Chinatown started. The strip mall was conceived by the Taiwanese-American developer James Che-Chin Chen. Say that 10 times real fast. It opened in 1995, and Nevada Governor Kenny Gwin officially designated the area as Chinatown in October 1999, and it continues to grow as the Asian population in Las Vegas expands rapidly. I love roaming through Asian markets. It's kind of like going to a bookstore. I could spend hours in there, whether it's here in Las Vegas or closer to home in New York City or just about anywhere across the US. I'm sure there's an Asian market close to you as well. There's just so many unique things and things that you've never seen in a regular supermarket, and that's one of the reasons I love even the produce section, as a matter of fact. Tons of produce that, you just don't find in regular American markets. I have a big Asian market on the East Coast where I live. It's just a few miles away, and I just might make a visit there and make it the subject of a video on my new channel, Jersey Jeff Eats. Perhaps I'll go up and down the aisles and show you guys all the unusual ingredients and let you know what to do with them, because I do enjoy shopping there and I do use those ingredients. If you want to subscribe to Jersey Jeff Eats, I'll leave a link in the upper right hand corner and also one in the description below.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Chinatown has lots of strip malls very similar to this one, where you'll find all kinds of shops and restaurants and things like jewelers and Asian restaurants and law firms and dispensaries and jewelry shops, and you name it, you're going to find it here in one of these Chinatown strip malls. The Vietnamese make a soup called pho. It's spelled P-H-O, but it's pronounced pho. I love pho. It's a spicy soup. I eat it a couple times a week, not homemade, unfortunately, out of a box, but I still enjoy it anyway. But if you look at the title of this, or the name of this restaurant, I think the joke's on us. Again, P-H-O is pronounced pho. If you look off in the distance, you'll see the Wynn and Encore. That'll give you an idea how far we are from the Strip. Again, it's about 1.5 miles, 2 miles. I like to walk it, but if you don't like to walk, or sometimes I'm not in the mood, I'll just hop on a bus. I have my weekly pass that I bought for like, I don't know, $30, and it gets me everywhere around town. Yep, unlike other locations across the country, you'll find slot machines everywhere in Las Vegas, not just hotels and casinos. There's a few all-you-can-eat places around here, like the barbecue we just passed, and check out this tiki bar. They have gambling here as well, and I love those arrows over the door sticking out. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Remember, click on that thanks button, get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Not to be confused with foot-free gloves.
This Chinatown area has gained much popularity after receiving national attention in 2004 when the Wall Street Journal published an article on it, and the Huffington Post classifies the Chinatown in Las Vegas as a modern-style Chinatown, in contrast with the historic core Chinatowns in New York and San Francisco. And what makes the Las Vegas Chinatown even more unique is that it's Pan-Asian in nature instead of being completely Chinese like the New York and San Francisco Chinatowns. And as you can see here, there's a lot more outside of Asia being represented here in Chinatown as well.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.